Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Arise Cake Creations, bringing you the sweeter side of life. In today's tutorial, we're going to start from scratch. I'm going to teach you how to make gum paste. It's known as gum paste in America, but in the UK, it's sometimes called petal paste or florist paste. It's a homemade recipe, and florist paste or gum paste is normally used to make sugar flowers like the ones that I've made here. It's actually an adapted recipe from Nicholas Lodge, and this isn't a sponsored video. It's just that I found this to be the recipe that works for me in Thailand with the heat and the humidity. So enough of my rambling, let's get started. For the equipment you will need a spatula, a whisk, a bowl and a scraper. For the ingredients you will need some icing sugar, some reserved icing sugar for kneading, some egg whites, either pasteurised or fresh, some vegetable shortening and some CMC or Tylo powder. Pour the egg whites into the bowl and gently begin to whisk until they are frothy. Begin to add the larger quantity of icing sugar to the egg whites and mix it together with your spatula. Add the remaining icing sugar and continue to mix. This is where I adapt the recipe slightly and mix it for a shorter length of time of 30 seconds to about 1 minute until I reach a soft consistency stage which gently drops from the spatula. Sprinkle in the CMC or Tylo powder. Do not add in all of the CMC or Tylo powder all at once. You will add it 3 to 4 times over a 5 to 10 second period. The mixture will begin to come together, become quite lumpy, but there's nothing wrong with this. This is the stage when you need to take it out of the bowl onto a surface sprinkled with the reserved icing sugar and begin to knead it together. Add some vegetable shortening to your hands as and when needed, and knead the gum paste until it is smooth. When it is ready, the texture will be soft and supple and no longer stick to your hands. Tightly wrap your gum paste into some cling film or Glad wrap. Then place it into a Ziploc bag making sure that you remove any excess air. Place it in an airtight container, leaving it in the fridge or a cool place for 24 hours. After 24 hours, your gum paste is ready to be used. Gently knead it with some vegetable fat. It will be soft and stretchy. Before rolling your gum paste, add some corn flour to your surface. The top tip is to add some corn flour to a muslin cloth secured with an elastic band. Then gently roll out your gum paste. If at any time the gum paste becomes sticky, add some corn flour to the surface or the gum paste. This gum paste can be rolled very thinly. And when you're ready to make sugar flowers, you will find that you will be able to make very thin and lifelike looking petals. Gum paste dries very quickly, so when not in use, ensure that you wrap it up well. It can be stored in the fridge wrapped up well for up to 6 months. If you want to keep the gum paste for longer, it can be stored in the freezer, but again wrapped up well and will keep like this for several years. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can receive all updates from this channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.